Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So today is a Brighten Your Day video for all my Brighton lovers here. And if you're new here and you don't know, I do a lot of different bags. Mostly I am a Dooney and Burke channel, but I do like to dabble into other brands. Like this is a new series and it's doing very well here on my channel. So I want to say thank you to all my Brighton lovers and all my subbies who have enjoyed and watched my Brighten Your Day series. So thank you. This is all the Brightons I have on the table. We've already done this one. It's so beautiful. Look, guys. I have it stuffed with some pillows and a blanket because, you know, they're very big. And this was the last one I did. So today I'm going to do, let's see, so this is another one like that. This is an actual Brighton crossbody bag, but I'll save that for itself because I did show on another video. We're going to be diving into this one. So I want to throw another piece with it. I think we'll do this one along with it because these are actual bags. Like this one is a pouch bag that you can use as a bag itself, and this one is also I think it's a crossbody, this little one. Yeah, Glam crossbody pouch. Okay, so we have one, two, we'll do these two today. I'm trying to see how many more we have to do. That's 1, 2, 3. Have this little piece, 4, 5, 6, and another big one like this one, 7. So I still have 7 more pieces to show you guys, but of course they'll be coming up in the months ahead. I like to do, I have a schedule now, one Brighten Your Day video, at least one a month. So if you're enjoying it, please subscribe, and I will see you guys every month for at least one Brighton video. It's working out great for my schedule. So again, today it is going to be on these two pouches. Let's dive right in. So this one is a holiday love and joy promo. It's like a little crossbody, and it was originally $70. I think I got this from eBay. Look how cute it is. So I'll read a little bit on this. I believe this is also a Tom Clancy, which is the ones I am featuring here so far. Now Brighton does have other designers, but my pieces are from the Tom Clancy collection. It says here, yeah. This holiday gift pouch comes with its own bow. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. And what I love about these is both different. There are different pretty designs on the side. So one side is like this, one side is like that. Like even this big one here, I think this is the front because I'm going with the pouch inside. I think this is the front, and this is the back. Let's put it on this side now because they're so beautiful. I love this one. I love the colors because if you know me, I love these colors. As you can see, I'm wearing them. It's kind of hot in here. I had to close all the windows. If you hear like a street sound, I'm not sure where it's coming from because I closed everything up, but it's still.
If you hear a street sound, please don't mention it.
Yeah. So we're gonna do this one first, and then this one. Where was I? I lost my train of thought. And then this also was featured already. I will have the playlist on the bottom along with other fun playlists that I like to create here on my channel just to make it easier for people to watch. And if you like something more than other, like if you just like Doonies, there's a Dooney one, there's Dooney unboxings, there's the bag of the month, Dooney, all on their own. So there's 3 different Dooney playlists.
One of these days, very, very secretly, I'm going to go into every video on the channel and redo all of it to be very professional looking, but no one's going to know. Don't tell anybody.
Okay. So that's my son, my partner in crime here, Robert. He's not a stranger here. Everyone knows him, loves him. Thank you, Robert. Okay, so what was I saying? This pouch. I love it. Look how cute it is. Let's take the little taggy off because it seems to be stuck on the taggy. And this is an actual bag, like I was saying. It is a crossbody. It has a strap. Now the strap on this is not removable. I don't like it when it's like that. I'll probably cut it off because I have a lot of straps from my Dooney bags that I can use. But if you don't have and you want to keep it on, I mean, it's okay. It's just a thinner, I don't know if these are leather, guys. I'm not that educated in these, so this is new. We're learning together, but let me read it. So this is a tag it came with. I'm going to read it. Now you can spread the love and joy of the holiday season, so it's a holiday bag, wherever you go with this pouch. Filled with colorful, custom heart-themed artwork by Brighton's own renowned artist, Tom Clancy, as I thought. I can spot a Tom Clancy artwork. It's beautiful. It's true to keep you in the joyous mood as you shop, or spread the joy by giving it to someone special. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so I know some of the pieces have a name. This one is called Love and Joy Pouch, and there it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, if you want to freeze it.
What is it?
It's a pouch. I'm not even sure if it's coming up, but so this side here, look how pretty. It has this really nice black thin crossbody strap. In the front here it says Love and Joy, and it is right here, it says Brighton Love, and this, I think this is Tom Clancy's signature. It is in that beautiful cotton. I don't know if it's coated cotton, but it is coated. I don't know what they call it. I'm just going by what it says on the Doonies. It says coated cotton. It feels like that. And it's really nice. On the other side here, guys, it has the bow. And then it says Joy, Love. Look at that. The colors are stunning. It has this nice zipper pull. The hardware is silver. It has this really nice big tassel. Again, I don't know if these are leather. I don't smell of the leather, so it might not be. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out as we go on more into our new Brighton series, but I don't know as of yet. So in here it is beautiful. It's linen. Look at that. It has hearts, like a spotted heart, black with a beautiful linen. On the back here it has a pocket, a zipper pull. It's a nice big zipper. It's really nice. I find this very pretty. I mean, it's cute on the go. It's very lightweight. One thing I'm loving about the Brightons is, well, the ones I have they are very nice linen and lightweightness to them. Even these big ones, they're very lightweight. So that's the first piece, guys. The Love and Joy pouch crossbody. There it is. It's already dark out, or else I would do like a fun outside video for you guys, but it's already dark. Maybe another day I might use it. When I use it, I will do a little fashion outside video for you guys. But there it is. That's number one.
Remember once we tried to do that, and then the neighborhood cat wouldn't leave you alone. He kept walking behind you and into
Yes.
shot. We couldn't use it because we were afraid that he would like attack you or something.
Yeah, there was there's a neighborhood cat over here, and it kept following me, and I kept moving away further and further to do the video, and it kept following me.
He's attracted to the bright colors you wear.
Yeah. I've been attacked by a cat when I was a kid, so I'm kind of terrified of them, although I love them. But yeah, that day the video was not going to happen.
Yeah.
So now this one, it's a little smaller. It is also another crossbody pouch. Let me show you the sizes. And again, it is beautifully decorated. The artwork, the different artwork on the back and the front. Look at that. This is a statement necklace that Brighton actually does have. When this came out, they did have this charm necklace. I did own it at one point. I did sell it. Oh, if you don't know, Brighton is actually a company that is more in like jewelry. They're more known for their jewelry pieces, but they do other stuff, like they have branched out with their bags and stuff. So over here I'm going to show you guys mostly the bags. I do have some jewelry pieces I'm going to show you guys, so but I don't know where they are. They're packed away. If I find them, we will dig in there. So now this one says Glam Girl crossbody pouch. That is the name. Designer Tom Clancy. Again, it is a Tom Clancy sketched this colorful collection featuring a stylish, happy fashionista. I think he came up with the word fashionista, I want to say. Honoring her favorite pieces. We printed it on this super useful pouch to hold your phone, keys, lipstick, cash, cards, and more. And fill your days with chic thrills. Wow, that's nice. So they say what everything that will fit in there. Look at that's the back. This is the front. It does have the Brighton charm on it. See, here is where you would put the crossbody strap, which I'm hoping is in there. I haven't really opened these. Oh yeah, it's in there. Can you imagine? Oh wow, so this one comes with, wow, that's weird. This one comes with a larger strap that is removable. You know, I could probably cut that off and put it on that one. Look at that. 2 colors, adjustable. See that? And removable. I love it. Love it. I love this strap much more than the other one. Let's see. Did I spin it to the other side? I think I spun it to the wrong side. Okay. So yeah, it does it. It has the silver hardware again, guys. But look, that is adorable, and I love this. I love this strap so much more. I mean, I don't get these thinner straps. It hurts my back, my shoulder, but I can take that off now and use this. That is beautiful. And in here, guys, doesn't really have anything. It's just a pouch, but look how pretty. Inside is this beautiful fuchsia. Yeah, it's a fuchsia color. It has hearts and stars, kind of like dotted everywhere. It's very beautiful. So there you have it, guys. My Let Me Brighten Your Day video for this month. I want to say thank you to everyone who has watched all month long. This is the last video of the month. I want to say a special thank you to everyone who shared the videos, everyone who came from my other friends here, like from Dee Dee's channel. Thank you, guys. I want to say I hope your Mother's Days went well and blessed. It was Mother's Day month, and I'm so excited for next month. The next video that will be popping up is going to be the chit chat video for the next month. That is going to be on the 1st. And I think that's going to be the last chit chat for a couple of months, guys. We'll talk more about it in the chit chat video. And if you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. I hope I brightened your day. I hope you're liking this series. I am loving showing you guys my Brightons. I haven't used these in so long. They've been packed away, or actually I got some new pieces in the beginning of the year and I forgot. So we're going to look through all these. We still have 7 pieces to get through. So I'm trying to do 1 a month. So I know for a fact there will be at least 1 a month. And if that changes, I'll let you guys know. But there it is, guys. My Brighten Your Day video for this month. Thank you all. And if you're new here, you haven't hit that subscribe, please do. And hit that bell. Go follow me on Instagram as well. I am more active on Instagram. I want to say thank you to all my regulars. I so appreciate everyone's love. All the wishes for Mother's Day. All month I've gotten so much love, guys. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who said all the nice kind words for my son. Of course, he did make another appearance this month for the channel. That was a lot of fun. And what else can I say? There's so much. I just want to say thank you for the love. There's so much love here. in this community. I'm so proud to be a part of all the wonderful ladies here. And then I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.